15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Nakajimi kikenrom kenram hakaput ke Southwest Garo Hills District hapadeng kisipai Border Security Force keri India but Border Guards Bangladesh BGB namar kajing persangki BGB ban penrong yo weu brio nakatekeri sa Meghalaya kat bana kaliang ki BSF kila khangla nakaliang Santanu Thakur umentri ke Sarkar India ulong boon se keran bat ke Sarkar Bangladesh halor kini keman Habakran sekilat patai kubor haka khat artarek jeliu arajar arpun riu Santanu ulong bagi basyong basa ha Bangladesh kidan ya kahok laki long kanu ke Niam.
This is totally unfortunate that that is happening in Bangladesh, but our government given the opportunity to those who are actually came from the Bangladesh by the pressure, by the religious pressure, we are going to give them the citizenship. Therefore, our ministry, Home Ministry, brought a gazette to give them the citizenship in India. 31st December 2014, who came actually India, we are going to give them the citizenship. But totally, this is unfortunate. We can request them, those who are Hindu actually living in that places, they will not be pushed here because they have a right to live in Bangladesh. I think they have getting so many. Actually, they are facing so many bad situation in there. We are going to request to Bangladesh government, please stop it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya